We all love cycling, but storing it securely is a problem.
So storing a bike at home, you've either got to store it inside, drag it upstairs and chip and paste. It's a fire risk, an obstacle, or you keep it outdoors. And where? Where do you chain it to?
We are here at Cardiff Council today and they might have a solution. It's a first in Wales.
So I'm here with Shannon. Can you just maybe talk us through what we've got here and show how it works?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've opted for a key system instead of digital in regards to the residential aspect of this and managing, etc. So you open it up.
It's really simple, that, isn't it?
Yeah. Within the unit then we've got 6 individual hoops. So 6 residents can utilise the storage facility.
So they can lock securely their bike within inside,
Absolutely.
even though it's got a secure unit.
Yeah, so the actual shell is secure, and then obviously the resident will provide additional security measures within the unit as well.
It's maximum security. Angle grinders can't get it open and things like that. So we've got a lovely secure unit. Any fears about the weight of this? It's hydraulic lifted and back down, isn't it?
So it was quite easy to manoeuvre up and down then. Obviously we've got this handle as well to offer that additional bit of ease.
But I could pull it down just with 2 fingers, just for you pulling it down. So it's not, you're not hauling anything up or down.
No.
And in terms of residents, what have they said so far about it?
We've had really positive comments from the unit. And in fact, whilst we've been showing you around the unit today, someone has actually come out to inquire how to sign up because he is going to be purchasing a bike very shortly.
So there's no power or anything needed or anything? Yeah.
No, so it's solely keys.
The website claims it's half a single car parking space for 6 bikes.
Exactly that, yeah.
And as we look at active travel and at car parks and things like that, being able to have these type of units, I think, are important, aren't they?
Yeah, exactly. And obviously we've situated this in a courtyard of a residential scheme. So yeah, it's multi-purpose. Obviously there's case studies in London and other places in England where they're used actually within an actual parking bay instead of cars being situated there. So there is definitely scope for increasement of different environments.
So how does this fit with WHQS? It fits perfectly. Page 33, 8.1, I believe, says external lockable storage for cycles and equipment must be made available. This is it. So what do we think? Do you like this? I love this type of unit. I think we need to see more of these in Wales. I think it's the start of creating a more active, secure transport system in Wales. Let us know what you think below in the comments.